Okay, y'all, I've started a whole nother video because the other one was over 12 minutes. So here I am in this beautiful section, and now we're going to turn around and we're going to head back. It keeps going, but I'm going to turn around. Okay, we turned around, so hopefully the sun might be better. And this will be in two parts because, like I say, the other video got to 12 minutes. And oh yeah, I think y'all can see the color of the leaves better coming back. So you have to be careful on this bridge. There's a lot of boards that probably need replaced, and if you don't watch, you might trip and fall. So I'm trying to be careful. So, but there's the golf course now to be on our left. But we love this place. I haven't been able to come back till today, and I said, you know what? I think today is the day that we'll go back. See where they've put metal over some parts of the bridge because of, I guess, not wanting people to fall. Very popular place. But it's beautiful. And I just thought today was the day to share it with people. It is beautiful. The leaves. Already up to 3 minutes on this new video, so maybe there'll be like 12 minutes a piece. And what's neat is houses sit right on in this area close to where I'm walking, which I think is so neat. I mean, there's houses on the golf course, there's houses on the right side of the bridge that I'm fixing to cross. And we will pause it because I come up into the houses that y'all can see through the woods right there. You actually come right up in their backyard. So, I'll pause it when I didn't get over there. But there's some beautiful homes. Look at the wood. I mean, they've done that. So there's more places probably before winter that they'll need to do. This is strange because this is the back of these houses, but the garages are on the back, which I guess is a good thing. And these dogs, I guess, hear me. Oh man, it was cold here last night. The low was like 34. We passed a biker. I'm gonna pause it because we're coming up in these people's backyard. Okay. And we're heading back to where I'm gonna stop and read to y'all all of those things that was about the bats. Beautiful. Look up there. All these power lines are not pretty, but those trees over there in the distance are. fixing to go under the bridge, but I'm gonna pause y'all till we get to it. Hey y'all, getting close. It says that this is a flood zone, so and I can see why with the water. So we're almost there, y'all. And what is good is it says that there's a 24-hour surveillance cameras, so that's a good thing. Beautiful. Okay, we're coming back up on the water. I'm gonna read to y'all what it says about these bats. Well, I'm gonna try. It's one of my friends on YouTube. She says, "Let me get my granny glasses." It says bats are the only mammals that can fly. Sponsored by Park and Recreation. Bats control the mosquito population. Georgia has 16 kinds of bats. Many are endangered. Okay, on some of them I'm not gonna share because it tells who created these things on the wall, the art. Let me make sure. Okay, it says bats are naturally, they are active at night. Bats can live up to 20 years. Okay, this is very interesting. Bats can eat up to 500 millis. Bats can eat up to 500 insects in an hour, y'all. Oh, I love the dove. That is beautiful. I'm gonna take that as a screenshot. Hey, y'all. So now we're coming back and go back to the water again. Let's go right here because we didn't. Well, yeah, I guess we can. I just don't want to get on those snakes. I don't think there will be any out, but you never know. I just watch where I'm going. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go back down. I think I heard a deer. I'm gonna go back down this way again. I should have brought better hiking shoes. I just wore my everyday walking, and I should have worn my grip hiking shoes. Y'all, I could just sit here all day long. Is that not beautiful? And I'm so thankful for the ones that thank me for taking y'all along on my journeys that I try to take y'all along. And I appreciate y'all thinking and thanking me for bringing you along. And I'm so thankful that for the ones that don't get to get out, that they enjoy seeing what I do and where I go. So I'm going to try to wipe off my shoes a little bit. Yeah, they don't have anything on them. Look at that. Isn't that not beautiful? So beautiful. I could just sit here all day. It's beautiful. Perfect day to come here because there's a lot of people are here in the summer because they get in the water. And I'm thankful that today is just a slow day for this area. Me and the pastor, when we used to come, it would be very crowded. So I'm thankful that today it wasn't that bad. Let y'all hear the sound for a little while. And the bridge is just beautiful, the backdrop. Just gorgeous, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm going to end it here. I think I have two that are 12 minutes long, so I will have to upload them either together or I may do it just separate. So, hope everyone has a blessed day. And as I always say, know that I love you. I'm praying for you, but the Lord loves us so much more. Listen to God's creation. If you hadn't got out today, just on your patio, your porch, just to listen to what God blesses us with, to be able to hear, to enjoy His creation.